What's up, everybody? So in this video here we're going to be putting on some sealer and just waterproofer inside or on the top of this platform. Now you guys all know in the last video I already put all the wood on, so we're going to seal it. So let's get into that. I'm using the Bear paint. Dries in 72 hours for a full cure, but I'm going to leave it on overnight. I'm not supposed to use this, but I got it anyways. You're supposed to use a pad, and we're being extra sassy today. So we're going to apply this with the big ass flathead. Oh my fucking god. And it probably shouldn't have got orange, but whatever. I'm going to mix this up. Always mix your paint up, no matter what the Home Depot says. This color right here.